tired father after work.
Dad, your hands look very red today.
They are fine. Do not worry.
You always say that after night work.
Work is work. We need money.
You skipped breakfast again this morning.
I was not hungry at all.
You gave me your last egg.
You had a long school day.
You also gave me warm coat.
Morning was too cold for you.
It was cold for you too.
I walk fast. I stay warm.
Dad, please do not joke now.
All right. I am a little tired.
You look more than a little tired.
My back is hurting a bit.
Why did you carry extra boxes?
The shop needed help last night.
You need rest more than overtime.
School fees are coming next week.
I heard you talking to Mr. Brown.
You should not worry about that.
I worry because I love you.
I show love through my actions.
I understand that now, Dad.
Then study hard and make me proud.
I will, but please eat first.
Fine. Share toast with me today.
That sounds nice. Thank you.
Let us eat together now.
School fee stress.
Dad, this letter came from school.
Let me take a look.
It says science fee is due.
Yes, I expected this already.
It is more money than before.
Books and lab cost extra now.
Can we pay it this week?
We will find a way.
That means more overtime again.
Maybe only 2 extra nights.
Dad, you already work too much.
I can manage it fine.
Strong people also need proper rest.
You sound like your mother.
Can we ask Uncle Mark?
I want to handle myself.
This burden feels very heavy.
Your education is not burden.
It feels like burden today.
It is a bridge forward.
A bridge to what, exactly?
A safer future for you.
Then I will study harder.
That is enough for me.
I will not disappoint you.
I trust your hard work.
Thank you, Dad.
I will handle the bill.
Wanting independence.
Dad, I really need to talk.
I am listening carefully, Nancy.
Please stop treating me like child.
You are still my child.
But I am growing up now.
Growing up takes time, slowly.
I want a weekend job.
Where did this idea come from?
I see how tired you are.
That is my responsibility only.
I want responsibility in my life.
School is your main responsibility.
I can manage both things.
Many people try and fail.
I will not fail at all.
Life is still very hard.
What kind of job is okay?
Maybe cafe on Saturdays only.
That sounds good for me.
No work on school nights.
That feels fair to me.
Your grades must stay strong.
I will show every report.
And come home early always.
Safety comes first. I understand.
Good. I trust you now.
Thank you for trusting me.
Trust needs responsibility too.
Homework comes first.
Dad, can I clean later?
What is wrong right now?
I have math homework today.
Homework always comes first here.
I thought chores first today.
School is more important always.
You sound very serious tonight.
I care about your future.
I feel tired of rules.
Rules protect your future dreams.
That sounds like a poster.
Maybe, but it is true.
Did you like school before?
Yes, I liked it a lot.
Why did you leave early?
My family needed money then.
That must have hurt you.
Life still moved forward anyway.
Is that why you push me?
I want better future for you.
I understand that now.
Finish homework before television.
I will start right now.
Good. I will check later.
Thank you, Dad.
I believe in you.
I will do my best.
That is enough.
Talking with a friend.
Liam, can we sit here?
Sure. You look worried today.
I argued with my dad.
What exactly happened there?
I asked about a job.
That is normal for us.
He looked hurt, not angry.
Maybe he feels stressed too.
I saw his stress clearly.
That is hard for parents.
He works overtime for me.
He really loves you.
I feel guilty about it.
Love can feel heavy sometimes.
What should I say?
Start with thank you first.
Thank you first. Okay.
Simple words work best.
I talk too fast sometimes.
Yes, a little bit.
Any advice for me?
Speak slowly and clearly.
I will try that.
You will be fine.
You are a good friend.
Good. Stay calm.
First job interview.
Hello, sir. My name is Nancy.
Hello, Nancy. Please have a seat.
Thank you. I feel nervous today.
That is completely normal here.
This is my first interview.
Then we will go slowly.
Why do you want this job?
I want to learn responsibility.
I also want to help family.
That is a good reason.
Do my parents need to know?
Yes, support is important here.
My father agreed with this.
Good. Family support matters a lot.
I can work Saturday mornings only.
That schedule may work here.
I can serve coffee and clean.
Have you done this before?
Only at school events before.
That still counts as experience.
I learn quickly and speak politely.
Good. Communication is very important.
Should I bring anything tomorrow?
Yes, bring a teacher note.
I can do that easily.
Good. We will meet again.
Thank you for this chance.
You are welcome, Nancy.
Learning to speak better.
Mr. Allen, I am scared speaking.
Many learners feel the same.
My words disappear when nervous.
That happens under pressure.
I said wrong sentence yesterday.
Did people understand you anyway?
Yes, but I felt bad.
Then communication still worked fine.
I want to be perfect.
Perfect is not the goal.
Then what is the goal?
Clear meaning and steady practice.
Are mistakes really okay?
Mistakes help you improve.
That makes me feel better.
Good. Keep practicing daily.
Can we talk real topics?
Yes, real life is best.
Like family in school?
Exactly. Very useful topics.
My father works very hard.
Good. Make one full sentence.
My father works every night.
Excellent simple present sentence.
I feel stronger now.
Keep speaking every day.
Simple present practice.
Sir, simple present is hard.
Let us make it easy.
I forget verb changes often.
That is very normal.
When do we use it?
For habits and routines.
Like, I study daily?
Yes, that is correct.
My father work every day.
My father works every day.
Oh, he needs an S.
Yes, he, she, it.
What about questions?
Use does at start.
Does he work today?
Perfect. That is correct.
And negative sentences?
He does not work.
No S after does?
Exactly. You learned it.
This is much clearer now.
Practice will make it easy.
I will practice daily.
That is the right attitude. Home dinner conversation.
Dad, dinner smells really good.
Thank you. It is soup.
You cook when tired often.
Soup is quick and easy.
Did you work late today?
Only 1 extra hour today.
Your feet must hurt again.
My feet are used to it.
Do you feel very tired?
Yes, but I manage.
I finished homework early today.
That makes me very happy.
I practiced English speaking too.
What did you practice today?
Job answers and simple present.
That is very useful practice.
I want to improve more.
You are improving every day.
Do you really think so?
Yes, I really mean it.
That makes me confident.
Confidence grows with practice.
Broken cup accident.
Dad, please do not be upset.
What happened now?
I broke your coffee cup.
The blue one from Mom?
Yes, I feel really bad.
How did it happen?
I was rushing in kitchen.
You should be more careful.
I know, I'm sorry.
It was important to me.
I can buy new one.
You cannot replace memory.
Now I feel worse.
I am not angry.
Are you sad too?
Yes, a little bit.
I will be more careful.
That is what matters.
I am really sorry.
I know you are.
I will be careful now.
We will use mugs tonight.
That sounds safer.
Yes, much safer.